Let us learn short E sound with EN family. Sound of E, sound of N, together called as N. A plus N equal to N. B and Ben. D and Den. F and Fen. H and Hen. L and Len. M and Men. P and Pen. T and Ten. Y and Yen. Z and Zen. Let us learn list of N words once again. B and Ben. D and Den. F and Fen. H and Hen. L and Len. M and Men. P and Pen. T and Ten. Y and Yen. Z and Zen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more videos.